yeah, you have to do that one.
Oh, why not? You want me to be recording now?
That's alright, we'll just go back to that one. Is everything dropping out? That's a long power cable, isn't it? Let's just have a quick look, see what's actually in there. Wall mounty washers. It's more like a 2 metre cable, isn't it, this time? Better ours. See what remote you get with it. It's the black plastic one, I'm guessing. Talk to it. Cool. Mainly the longer one. It is longer, I'm sure it's normal remote. AA and AAA's, and that's my GoPro bloody memory card again. Right, tell you what. Yep. It's a bag in a bag. Oops. Don't break it. Machine screws out.
Oh,
I didn't realise.
They've got a different stand again.
Yeah, it's different. That bit's cast alley, but these grooves are on the TV. And the idea is, I didn't realise, Julian told me,
Cables.
yeah, you put your different cables into the different slots and it ties them up at the back.
Yeah, but how well do they stick in there?
Not bad. It's just, well, it's having the right size cable for the right slot, isn't it? And then you've got the neck for the cables to come out of the hole there, which is pretty cool. You see there's a hole there.
Yeah.
Your cables go in and feed down. Cool. Oh. It's pretty much, it's an MU8000 with a black border. So I doubt there's that much different. But
What model was this one again? I forgot.
NU8000. So it's just the N for 2018 and M for 2017.
It's none of these.
I mean, to be fair, for the money, I'll have a quick Google in a minute and check what the cost. But I can't remember what the cost for a 75. But I think the 55 at one point went down to 799 quid, which is pretty good. They're, I mean, not perfect. People could pick loads of flaws on them, but it's not bad for the money. Because that's what it's all about, isn't it? What it costs.
Well, yeah. At least you're not paying like. So what's the Q9? About 3-4 grand or something.
2799 on the 55.
Oh, really?
So it's come down a bit, 200 quid. Because I think when we unboxed that one, it was 3 grand.
Yeah.
Which is a lot. It's a smaller, at least that's the straighter stand now. Because before, it came out to about here, didn't it? Because they went off like a
Yeah, I didn't
shape.
like that.
No, it didn't fit many people's TV stands either, which was annoying. It's just another problem, isn't it, that you don't need. Let's get the screws out. I'll get this bit built up and then we'll lay the TV on the box. Right, that comes off again then, if I can get it off. There we go. So that's located in there, isn't it? These are a bit easier to put together now as well, because the other year they're a bit of a pain. Screws in the top now instead of underneath.
Yeah, I suppose that makes it a little bit easier for not falling apart while you're trying to put it together.
Yeah. Yeah, because when you tried to pull the neck off some of the previous ones, you felt like you were going to break it.
Oh, yeah.
It was hard work, especially with customers talking to you and you straining and you hear something snap or something.
How do I get BBC One?
Yeah. I never used to press number 1 before. I'm sure you did. No, you're calling me a liar. Cool. I'll leave that off for a minute. I tell you what,
we'll lay the box on the
box.
Yeah, sound.
Cool. Locating in the holes. No, I've just noticed. There's no, oh yeah, it's got bits there to locate in as well this time. Those bits.
Oh, yeah.
There's no Mini One Connect box. MU8000 and 7000s, they had a little box, didn't they? But now,
yeah,
we'll go back to that.
That almost looks like they've integrated a box now.
Yeah, they've just built it in.
Because I've actually made it quite a deep cavity in it, if you like.
That's it. It felt really long, that screw, that time. Tell you what, I'm not tighten those all the way up till I get them all in. They don't look like they really line up perfectly, the holes either. Describe them. That's aerial. 2 SATs. Yeah, because you can put a hard drive to it and record, so it's twin tuner satellite. LAN, 3 HDMIs, 4 HDMIs. I didn't notice that one's the ARC one. Digital audio out. USB 1, 2, 1 amp and half an amp. No USB 3 again. Oh my god, they're almost too sticky. Oh, left some of the stick in the arm. Do not remove until TV setup is complete. Okay. That's not for the customer's benefit, though, is it? It's in case you have to send it back. At least that comes nice this time.
It's not been put on very well, has it?
No, I was going to say it almost looks like it's been unpeeled at the bottom. Wouldn't trust him to tint the windows if that's how he uses squeegee or whatever they call it now. Just took that off as well. It's annoying it picks up that flicker stuff. Yeah. No one.
I mean, you could almost
Yeah, it's alright. I think the both cameras
rest that.
have the flicker anyway.
It did.
I was tempted to try it 30 frames just to see if the flicker was the same. It may miss it.
We did this.
Yes.
You remember?
Yes.
What happened?
I spent most of the time crying.
What sorts of thoughts do you have when you're wrestling with this desire to eat your favourite food?
I think takeaway is something that I did with my husband when we were first together. Then, kind of when the children were born, it was, you know, once they'd gone to bed, that
Like
was kind
some
of our
chips.
time.
So that's Those
Yeah.
emotional connections with this
Yeah.
food are adding to its value.
Yes.
So Becky, how do you deal with strong desire for that food?
Well,
Just
I'll
quickly
take
try the
some off
retail
the
demo
Otherwise, I'm just
on
arguing
the
with myself.
nasty
You can
settings,
have it.
but
It's not going to hurt for this one-off time. You can. Yeah.
I think you need to take it a bit further, that dialogue, because really that dialogue is just keeping the idea of eating this food in your mind. Think about perhaps how you might feel
whoa,
after.
so bright. That's a different demo, isn't it? Crazy one. I was thinking that one. How long were the batteries lasting? I'm sure it was like 2 or 3 hours there. You wouldn't have done 4 anyway, would you? 2 hours is okay.
When you go uphill as well, you realise you're going uphill.
Oh yeah.
It was going to go ahead sometimes.
I like the cheesy music they put on them now.
I don't.
No, I don't. If you hear that all day, Christ. Just switch the lights on a sec. That look better with the lights on, do you think? Does through here.
Probably.
Yeah. That'll keep the light on the next one. It would be like that, wouldn't it? Just tuck the wires in.